pick it up.
Okay, Cowboy! Cowboy! Bring it back, bring it back.
Good dog.
Good boy, good boy. Okay, drop the ball. No, drop it.
Oh, two. Definitely. Good dog.
Oh, good boy.
Come here.
Yeah, let Trevor throw it. I'll bet he doesn't throw like a girl. Oh, Trevor.
Good dog. Come on. Good boy.
He's saying, where have you been all my life?
I know.
And he's so good about returning the ball to your feet.
Yeah.
I mean, some of the dogs will make you work for it, but
Oh, absolutely.
he was obviously loved at some point.
Yeah, definitely. And did Cowboy come in as a stray? Or?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, he came in.
Cowboy.
Water time.
Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Can you sit? Oh, you're not so much a treat dog. You're a ball dog.
You're I could do this all day long, dog.
Okay, but I throw like a girl.
That's okay. Do they come out here two at a time sometimes?
No, and that's something that we're going to be working on as we get a trainer on again. We've had trainers, and right now we're without one. But we would love to, but we've had a few issues.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so.